Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Traverse RS. The Traverse is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors. You have your power adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Vehicle has push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, dual-zone climate control with heated front seats. You have USB ports, 12-volt wireless charging, your automatic shifter, electronic parking brake, auto stop start, lane keep assist, and your 4-wheel drive system, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, trailer mode, and off-road. All black interior with the highly sought after Bose performance audio, and of course our RS branded leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse RS, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the RS branded grills, beautiful black gunmetal rims with the black lug nuts and center caps. You have the Continental all-season tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, blacked out Traverse badging on the front door, color-matched mirror caps. Coming to the front, we have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, as well HID evening lamps, RS branded front grille, black chrome throughout. We have rear tinted privacy windows with blacked out window trim. At the back of the RS Traverse, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, power tailgate, and a trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior, second row captain's chairs, both leather and car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to the third row, a 60/40 leather split. Over top, we have the black headliner with the dual panel sunroof system. You have your rear climate control, USB ports, and an outlet. Rubberized floor liners installed from the factory as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.